Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix feature update to Windows 10 version 20H2 failed. Type Windows Media Creation Tool in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open Windows Media Creation Tool. Click Accept to continue. Check Upgrade this PC now, click Next. Downloading Windows 10 started. Make sure keep personal files and apps, click Install. Installing Windows 10 started. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer. Version 20H2 updated. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.